Vocal shortcuts are great as they let you trigger and perform specific actions using custom phrases on your iPhone. But do you know that you can activate your iPhone's flashlight using a quick custom phrase like flash? Well, for times when you are in a dark environment and your device doesn't seem to be near your hand, this feature can come in super handy. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Now select Accessibility. Then head over to the Speech section and choose Vocal Shortcuts. After that, you have to turn on the toggle right next to Set Your Vocal Shortcuts and then tap on the Continue option. If you have used this new iOS 18 feature on your iPhone, tap on the Add Action button and then hit Continue. Under the System section, select Flashlight. Next, you have to enter the custom phrase through which you would like to trigger the flashlight on your iPhone. For the purpose of this guide, I'm going to set flash as my custom phrase. Then make sure to speak the custom phrase 3 times so that it gets verified and you are all set. Going forward, whenever you want to activate the flashlight on your iPhone, just say flash and it will turn on instantly. Just like this, super handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.